Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm SONNYDI BONCODIN from Country Realty, and we'll be featuring the Marya Lofted unit ng St. Joseph Homes, Calamba, located in Barangay Laguerta. So we're here in phase 2. As you can see guys, ang lawak din po ng place na ito, ng subdivision na ito, and of course, yung kanya mga daan ay hindi naman po masikip. So, hindi po siya crowded. Okay? Ayan. So, we'll check po inside kung ano po ang turnover ng unit. Alright. So, as you can see, meron na pong white paint ang kanyang walls. And of course, wala pa pong ceiling. Wala pa pong provision ng kwarto. Lofted type po ang Marya model unit ng St. Joseph Homes, phase 2, Calamba. So, meron pong tiles sa CR. May paint na po ang CR. Of course, kahit naman siguro wala pa siyang ceilings or provision ng kwarto, it's still livable po. Kung wala naman pong budget for now, it's because of our situation these days. Pwede pa rin naman po siyang tirhan kasi meron naman na po siyang white paint. And of course, the dirty kitchen as well. Ayan, wala pa po siyang tiles. And of course, sa features ng house nito ay meron na po siyang naka-install na electrical panel. Para po sa akin, pwede na rin po siyang tirhan kahit po ganito ang turnover ng unit. It's very cute, cozy, and comfortable naman po. Basta lang po maging minimalist lang kayo Kung ano yung mga kailangan sa bahay, okay na po yun. Perfect na po sa inyo guys. And, labas po tayo. Punta po tayo sa dress-up unit ni Marya Lofted. Okay. So, ang dress-up unit po is nasa dulo po, sa corner. Thank you po ate. Sa corner area ay meron pa pong space for parking, but of course iba na po ang price niyan. I forgot to say na ang monthly amortization nito is 6,300 something monthly amortization sa Pagibig. And ito na po ang dress up unit ni Marya model. Okay, ang kanya pong lot area is 36 square meters. And ang floor area naman po is 32 square meters. Ayan. As you can see guys, ang ganda-ganda po na pagkakaayos. If you guys have more budget para gayahin po itong ganitong bahay, ay gayahin nyo na po. Dahil ang ganda po ng pagkaka-design po ng bahay. It's very comfortable pong tumira. It's very cozy, elegant looking, napakalinis po tingnan. Ayan po. This is perfect and ideal po sa newlyweds. Ganito po ang kayang budget, 6,000 plus monthly. It's because yung kanyang bedroom area sa taas po is overlooking. And it still have a privacy sa visitors. Kahit hindi na po mag-provision, lagyan na lang po ng curtains. But of course, kung magkakaroon na po na kayo ng anak, pwede na po kayo magpagawa ng provision sa kwarto. Or if you have also other family members na gustong tumira, depende po yun sa inyo. Kung ano pong paayos ng bahay nyo sa loob. Okay, let's go upstairs po para ma-check natin yung design dito sa bedroom area. Ayan po. Overlooking po siya, but napakaganda po talaga. And of course, in time naman po is kung may enough budget talaga is pwede naman pong provision for 2 bedrooms na po ito. Depende na po sa inyong preferences. Ano pong magiging outcome nito. It still have spaces for 2 to 3 bedrooms. Depende po yun sa gagawa. But of course, kung gusto nyo naman talaga ng preferred nyo lang is 2 bedrooms, it's okay. I think siguro kung magti 3 bedrooms kayo ay kunin nyo yung end lot or the corner lot unit. Ayan po. So guys, if you want to watch other house tour and site tripping sa iba't ibang houses natin dito sa South area or Calamba, Cavite, Batangas area, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more upcoming videos and site viewing, site tripping. For other details, and of course if you want to reserve a unit, just drop by a message here or direct message me to my FB account, SONNYDI. So have a nice day and God bless. Keep safe everyone and bye for now. Thank you po.